गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Respected principal ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends, I Bhumi Chandra welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day. A teacher is a symbol of love, creator of human society, source of inspiration and our guide. A teacher is always with us to provide us the light of education. My dear friends, as we all know that we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day. This day is celebrated on 5th September every year to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a former president, vice president and the most famous Indian teacher and philosopher. My dear friends, let us put our hands together for a real hero for all of us. हमारे देश में डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जैसे कई हस्तियां हैं जिन्होंने आदर्श शिक्षा की मिसाल पैदा की है. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम की पूरी जिंदगी शिक्षा को समर्पित रही. वो युवा पीढ़ी के स्रोत थे. उनका कहना था, अगर लोग मुझे एक अच्छे शिक्षक के रूप में याद करते हैं तो यह मेरे लिए सबसे बड़े सम्मान की बात होगी. शिक्षक के बिन ये दुनिया क्या, कुछ भी नहीं, बस अंधकार यहाँ. शत शत नमन उन शिक्षकों को जिनके कारण रोशन ये सारा जहां. The best way to start a day is to start it with a morning prayer. So let us start today's program by morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes for Gayatri Mantra. व्यक्ति सम्मान, जो करता है वीरों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, ऐसे गुरु को हम करते प्रणाम. Today is the better day to remind our teachers that how much we love and respect them. To start this function, I would like to call Palak of class 12th on हे ज्ञानवान भगवान हमको भी ज्ञान दे दो.
करुणा
Wonderful! Your performance expressed our affection and respect by words towards our industrious teachers. Now I would like to call Chavi of class 2nd for a dance performance on लड़खड़ाते हैं हम थाम लेते हैं गुरु. Please put your hands together to appreciate Chavi.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो. कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो. हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो. दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती. हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें. न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को. इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको. दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती. हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. लड़खड़ाते हैं हम थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो. छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें. वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी.
Beautiful explanation. This is true that our teachers always try to build moral qualities in us and care for us. A teacher's purpose is not to create student in his own image, but to develop students to create their own image. Now I would like to call the person who always gives right direction to every student and teacher of the school. She always motivates and encourages the students to give their best. It is my honor to welcome the respected principal ma'am, Miss Jyoti Dahiya. Please welcome our respected principal ma'am with a huge round of applause.
My dear children, colleagues and dear parents, 5th September is a very, very special day which we celebrate as Teachers' Day. And we need to know that why do we celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. My dear children, all of you know that Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, our second president, was born on this day. How much he contributed towards the cause of education to our country, it's known to everyone. So as a gratitude, the entire country celebrates 5th September as Teachers' Day. It is rightly said, if you wish to build a nation, teach your citizens. If you wish to ruin your country, your nation, then give them money to spend. So my dear children, you need to know that education is the key to success. And those who guide you, who make you a better human being, who educate you to make your dreams come reality, please remember that never leave their hand. Seek their guidance, seek their support, and have a sense of gratitude. And this gratitude should never go away. One day we might become a very, very successful business person, or a doctor, or an engineer, any profession we might join in. But this gratitude towards your teachers who have built up your future, who have worked so hard to make you what you are now, should always be there. So once again, I congratulate all of you, students. Parents are also teachers. So congratulations to parents, your teachers, your all elders, your teammates who are helping you to become a better educated person. My blessings to all of you. God bless. Namaskar and happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your precious words energize us and makes us feel proud that we are the part of this institution. जो समाज गुरु द्वारा प्रेरित है वह अधिक वेग से उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर होता है. Moving on to our last performance, I would like to call Samriddhi of class 4 for a puppet dance performance on melody Uy ma ye kya ho gaya. हमेशा मुझको याद रहे। जो अच्छा है जो बुरा है उसका हम सम्मान करें। दीप जले या अंगारे पाठ तुम्हारा याद रहे। गुरु आपकी अमृत वाणी हमेशा मुझे याद रहे। Thank you to all the students for their beautiful and mesmerizing performances on making this auspicious day more memorable. Now we have come towards the end of our program. So I request all of you to please stand up for Shanti Path.
शांति
teacher is not someone who teaches something, but someone who inspires the student to give her best in order to discover what she already knows. Again, I wish all my industrious teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.